My name is Jivera Reddy, lecturer in Computer Science, JVR Government Degree College, Sattupalli. Today my topic is models in software engineering. In the previous class, we seen the layered model and waterfall model. Today, now we see the RAD model. The Rapid Application Development Model. RAD means the Rapid Application Development Model. The Rapid Application Development Model was first proposed by IBM on 1980s. The critical feature of this model is the use of powerful development tool and technology. Powerful development tools and technologies. It is a incremental model. In RAD model, the components of or functions are developed in parallel as if they were mini projects. It is an incremental model. In RAD model, here what is a RAD? Rapid Application Development Model. Rapid Application Development Model. The components of functions are developed in parallel as if they were mini projects. It is used for many projects here. The developments are time boxed, delivered and then assembled into working prototype. Feature of this model is a short time span. That is, the time frame or delivery, nothing but time box, is generally 60 to 90 days. It is a almost, it was a mini project, just a mini projects. In rapid development model, first proposed by IBM in 1980s. Critical feature of this model is to powerful development tool and techniques. Here used powerful development models and techniques. It is a incremental model. In RAD model, the components of a functions are developed in parallel as if they were many projects. The developments are time boxed, delivered and then assembled into a working prototype. Feature of this model is a short time span, that is, time frame for delivering time box is generally 60 to 90 days. Diagram for RAD model. Here we see here team A, team B or team C, then team 1, 2, 3 or team 1, 2, 3. Here you see the team 1 business modeling, 2 data modeling, 2 process modeling, 2 application generation, 2 testing and turnover. Okay, then it takes the time up to 60 to 90 days. In the same way, this is the team 1, then team 2, then team 3 also same, like business models, data modeling, process modeling, Okay, application generation and testing and turnover. Okay, team 1 also, team 2 also same, team 3 also the same. This is the image for the RAD model. The phases in the RAD application development models are business. First one is business modeling. The information flow is identified between various business functions. The information flow is identified between various business functions. Various business different business functions. Data modeling. Information gathered from business modeling is used to define data objects that are needed for the business. Here, business models is used to define data objects that are needed for the business. Here, process modeling. Data objects defined in the modeling are converted to achieve the business information flow to achieve some specific business objective. Description are identified and created for CRUD of data objects. Here you see in the business model, data modeling, process modeling, and then application generation. Automated tools are used to convert process models into code and the actual system. Here application generation is very easy in this model, because why? You convert the process models to code is used by the system. Testing and turnover. The new components and all the interfaces. Advantages of the RAD model: reduces development time, increases reusability of components, reduces development time, because why? Here the development time is maximum 60 days. So the time is short, very short time. It is very useful. Increase reusability of components, quick initial reviews occurs, encourages customer feedbacks. Here the total project done in a short time, because the components may be used in other different project for reusability, and quick initial reviews occur, encourages customer feedback. Immediate customer feedback will be This is the advantages of the RAD model. Disadvantages of the RAD model: depends on strong team and individual performance of identifying business requirements. It needed a strong team to develop the RAD model, and needed the individual performance for identifying business requirements. They need the business identify performance to identify the business requirements. Only system that can be modularized, can be built using RAD, requires highly skilled developers or designers or team leaders or anyone. Only system that can be modularized, can be built using RAD, require highly skilled employees like developers and designers. High dependency on modeling skills. In applicable to cheaper projects as cost of modeling and automated code generation is very high. Automated code generation is very high. This is the disadvantage of the RAD model. The formal method model. The formal method model is concerned with the application of mathematical technique to design and implementation of software. Here are mathematical techniques. This model lays the foundation for developing a complex system and supporting the program development. The formal methods used during the development process provide a mechanism for eliminating problems. The mechanism for eliminating problems which are difficult to overcome using other software process models. The software engineer creates formal specification for this model. The software engineer creates formal specification for this model. These models minimize specification errors and this result in fewer errors when the user begins using the system. Formal methods comprise formal specifications using mathematics to specify the desired properties of the system. Formal specification is expressed in a language whose syntax and semantics are formally defined. This language comprises a syntax that define specific notations used for specification, representation, semantic, which uses objects to describe the system, and a set of relations which user rules to indicate the object for satisfying the specifications. Satisfying the specification. Advantage and disadvantage of formal method model. Advantages: discovers ambiguity, incompleteness, incompleteness and inconsistency in the software. Offers defect-free software. Incrementally grows in effective solution after each iteration. This model does not involve high complexity rate. Formal specification language semantic varies self consistency. Disadvantage is a time consuming and expensive. Difficulty to use this model as a communication mechanism for non-technical personnel. Extensive training is required since only few developers have the essential knowledge to implement this model. This is the formal method model advantages and disadvantages. Next one is fourth generation. Next one is fourth generation model. Implementation fourth generation techniques in software engineering. Implementation using a 4GL fourth generation techniques enables the software developers to represent desired result in a manner that leads to automatic generation of code to create those results. Obviously, a data structure with relevant information must exist and be readily accessible by the 4GL. To transform a 4GT, 4th generation technique implementation into a product, the developer must conduct through testing, develop meaningful documentation, and perform all other solution integration activities that are required in other software engineering paradigm. In addition, the fourth generation technique developed software must be built in a manner that enables maintenance to be performed expeditionary. Software development environment that supports the 4GT paradigm includes some of all following tools: non-procedure language for database query, report generation, data manipulation, screen interaction and definition, code generation and level graphics capabilities, spreadsheet capabilities, automated generation of HTML and similar languages used for website creation using advanced software tools. In fourth generation technology includes some of all following tools: non-procedure languages. Before fourth generation language, they are the only procedure language. Here, non-procedure languages and report generations, data manipulation, screen iteration and definition, code generation and high-level graphics capabilities, code generation and high-level graphics capabilities, spreadsheet for any one to spreadsheet capabilities, automated generation of HTML and similar languages used to website, using advanced software tools, website creation using advanced software tools. Advantages: simplified the programming process, use non-procedure languages, that encourage user and programmers to specify the result they want, while the computers determines the sequence of instruction that will accomplish those result. This is the advantage of the fourth generation languages. Use natural language that impose no rigid grammatical rules. Then disadvantage of the fourth generation language: less flexible than other languages. Programs written in fourth generation languages are generally far less efficient during program execution than programs in high level languages. Therefore, their use is limited to projects that do not call for such efficiency. This is the fourth generation language. So, today topics are first one RAD model, rapid application development model. In rapid application development model was developed in 1980 by IBM. It is also called as incremental model. We have a diagram for RAD model: business modeling, data modeling, process modeling, application generation and testing, and turnover. Business modeling, data modeling, processing modeling, application modeling, testing and turnover. Advantages of RAD model: reduces the development time, increase reusability of components, initial reviews, customer feedbacks, can encourages. Disadvantages: depends on strong team, cannot be modularized the build up using RAD, high dependency of modeling skills. These are the disadvantages of the RAD model. Formal methods model. We have a disadvantage and advantage of the formal method model. Next one, fourth generation technique software engineering. It is a 4th generation 4GT, fourth generation. Advantage of the fourth generation is the procedure language or database query, report generation, data manipulation, screen iteration and definition, code generation and high-level graphics capabilities, spreadsheet capabilities, automated generation of HTML and similar language like website creation using advanced software tools, simplified the programming procedure, non-procedure languages. Disadvantages: less flexible than the other languages. Programs written in 4GLs are general for less efficient during programming execution in high-level languages. These are the disadvantages of the fourth generation languages. Today we have completed the fourth generation language also. In previous class we seen the linear sequential model and waterfall model, by waterfall model, layered model and layered model. Today this class is in RAD model, formal method model. In formal method model we see in the mathematical techniques to design the implemented software. In development process provide a mechanism for eliminating the problems which are difficult to overcome using other software process models. The software engineer creates formal specification for this model. These models minimize specifications errors and this result in favor errors when the use of being using a system. Formal method compress formal specification using mathematics to specify the desired properties of the system. Formal specification is expressed in a language whose syntax and semantics are formally defined. This language compresses syntax that defines specific notation used in specification representation. In these disadvantages and advantages, discover ambiguity and inconsistency of the software, offers defect free software, incrementally grown in effective solution after each iteration. This model does not involve high complexity rate. Formal specification language semantics verify self consistency. Time consuming and expensive. Difficult to use this model as a communication mechanism for non-technical personnel. Extensive training is required since only few developers have a essential knowledge to implement this model. This is the advantages and disadvantages of formal method models. In our chapters we have completed the models. Total 5 models we have completed. Here we have seen the process of development of software engineering. These models is useful for developing the software. Some of the models is a short-term models or project models, small project models. Some of the words are very large and big. Some models are is used to complete in 60 to 90 days. Overall, the software in a software development process is needed. Most of the experienced and skill developed programmers or developers and needed the software support and hardware support, and time consuming and financial support are to complete the software development program, software development process. In this process, number of images in a life cycle model. Here life cycle model, every life cycle in this life cycle model, the starting and ending. Then if the problem is occurs, the life cycle is continued up to succession of our project. Thank you.